Good morning, children. Today we will do the revision of worksheet number 4. Question 1A. Choose the correct option. Number 1. Kalpana was first hired as blank at NASA. Astronaut, pilot, research scientist or glitter. So the correct answer of this question is research scientist. Kalpana was first hired as a research scientist. Number 2, to become an astronaut, one needs to know blank. If we want to be an astronaut, what we need to know? We need to know biology, astrophysics and aeronautics. So here we will choose the correct answer as number D, because in number D, what is written? All the three options given here. So here we will choose number D as correct answer. Number 3, the Columbia disaster took place on Saturday blank. Here we have to write on which date the Columbia disaster took place. 1st February 2003, 22 February 2003, 26 November 2002 or 3rd October 2004. The correct answer is the Columbia disaster took place on Saturday, 1st February 2003. A is correct answer. Number 4. Beauty is blank. Beauty is seen, heard, found within oneself, all of the above. So, in poem we have discussed that the poet said beauty is seen, heard and also found within oneself. So, here again we will choose D as correct option because all of the given three options are correct. So, all of the above is correct answer. Next question, question number 2. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Describe Kalpana as first mission in space. Answer. Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. कल्पना का जो फर्स्ट स्पेस मिशन था वो कितना लंबा चला था? तो इट last long of 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. During this time, she went around the earth 252 times. She went around the earth and traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew had a Japanese and Ukrainian astronaut. और बिसाइड्स कल्पना उसके साथ जापानीज एंड यूक्रेनियन के एस्ट्रोनॉट भी थे. दे वर 7 इन ऑल. टोटल वो लोग कितने थे? टोटल दे वर 7. दे परफॉर्म्ड सेवरल एक्सपेरिमेंट्स देयर. एंड ये जो 15 डेज 16 आवर्स एंड 34 मिनट्स का लंबा सफ़र था स्पेस में, तो उनके साथ जापानीज एंड यूक्रेनियन एस्ट्रोनॉट भी थे. एंड ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम शी वेंट अराउंड द अर्थ हाउ मैनी टाइम्स? 252 times, and she has traveling 10.45 million kilometers. Number 2, where was Kalpana Chawla born? Why she called an Indian American? I have told this thing during the explanation of this lesson that why is she called an Indian American? Let's discuss again here. Kalpana Chawla was born at Karnal in Haryana. She was born in India but married an American and became a naturalized citizen. उसका जन्म कहाँ पे हुआ था? कल्पना का इंडिया में हुआ था, बट उन्होंने एक अमेरिकन से शादी की थी. शी वॉज मैरिड एन अमेरिकन एंड बिकेम अ नेचुरलाइज्ड सिटीजन, सो शी इज कॉल्ड एन इंडियन अमेरिकन. Question number 3. Name 3 natural things of beauty mentioned in the poem. Here we have to name those things which mentioned in the poem. So the answer is the 3 natural things of beauty mentioned in the poem are sunlight, wind sighing and the rain falling. पोएट को किस में ब्यूटी दिखी थी? पोएट को सनलाइट में ब्यूटी देखी थी. Then he had seen the beauty in wind sighing, and again he had seen the beauty in the rain falling. Number 4, where according to the poet is beauty seen. अकॉर्डिंग टू पोएट ब्यूटी कहाँ पे दिखने को मिलती है? द आंसर इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोएट ई ये शूरे. दिस ही इज द पोएट ऑफ दिस पोयम ब्यूटी. अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम ब्यूटी इज सीन इन द trees, in the sunlight, birds, and also in the corn growing and people working or dancing for their harvest. उनको पेड़ों में ब्यूटी दिखती है, बर्ड्स में ब्यूटी दिखती है, और फार्म में जो कॉर्न ग्रो होता है उसमें ब्यूटी दिखती है. एंड ऑल्सो ही हैड सीन ब्यूटी इन डांसिंग एंड पीपल वर्किंग फॉर देयर हार्वेस्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, डू एज डायरेक्टेड. Number 1, make adjectives by adding suffixes to words given in the box. You can use suffixes like OUS, FUL, ALY and ABLE. So dear students, here what we have to do? We have make adjectives by adding suffixes. यहाँ पे जो वर्ड दिए हुए हैं उसमें हमें suffix ऐड करके adjectives बनाने हैं. Number 1, fear. Here we will add FUL as the suffix at the end of this word. Which adjective is formed here? Fearful. Number B, music. From music, a new adjective is formed as musical. Number C, fun. By adding ny at the end of this word, new adjective is formed as funny. Number D, luck. Here we will add y. A new adjective is formed as lucky. Then fame, famous. Study, studious. Catch, catchy, and danger, dangerous. So by adding some suffixes at the end of these words, a new adjective is formed. Number 2, circle the indirect object and underline the direct object in the following sentence. Here we have to circle the indirect object and underline the direct object. So in the first sentence, my granny told us a story. So in this sentence, us is an indirect object. So here we will circle on us and underline a story, because us is indirect object and a story is direct object. Then next one, Jivesh bought Jinya a cake last night. So again here Jinya is indirect object, so we will circle on Jinya, and a cake is direct object, so we will underline the cake. Next, number 3, fill in the following blanks with appropriate forms of the verbs given in the bracket. A, neither Rinku nor her friends blank able to give the answer. In the bracket B is given. Now here we have to write the correct form of B. So the B forms are was and were. Am is are, was and were. But here in the past tense we can write were, because here friends are plural. So here we will write were, W-E-R-E. Number B, Shalini blank a cold today. Here in the bracket have is given. So here we will fill this blank with present perfect tense have, but here Shalini is given. Here the subject is Shalini. So with he, she, it we have to write has. So here we will write has in this bracket. C, Rumi blank me a present last evening. Here this sentence is in past form because last evening is given here. So here we will fill this blank with past form of the word given in the bracket. Which word is given? Give is given. Now what is the past form of give? G-A-V-E, gave. So here we will write gave in this blank. D, he blank already answered your question. Again have is given in this bracket, but here which tense is mentioned. Here past perfect tense is mentioned. So in the fourth number we will write had because already is given. So he had already answered your question is the correct answer. Fourth one, choose the verbs given in the brackets that agrees with the subject of each sentences. A. I blank the ball and Minnie blank to pick it up. With I, we have to always write the verb without S or ES. So here by mistake S is written, we will choose this word throw. This is the word only throw, Throw. So here we will write throw the ball and Minnie. But with he, she, it, we can use the verb with S or ES. So here we will choose runs. Minnie runs to pick it up. B. She blank staring at it. Here which subject is given? Which pronoun is given? She. So with she we will choose the word with S. Kids. Number C. All my friends blank are blank very fond of her. Here plural is given. So with plural we will choose R as the correct answer. So here we have completed this question and also we have completed this worksheet. Everyone, please write this worksheet in your notebook with proper handwriting. Bye everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.